Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want a light and fresh dessert. So for today, I'll be making a pineapple poke cake. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
Let's start with a light lemon cake. In a bowl with 1.5 cups of flour, add in a pinch of salt and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix and set aside. In a bowl with 171 grams of butter, mix until pale in color. Next, add in 1 cup of sugar and mix until light and fluffy. Add in 2 eggs one at a time, making sure before adding in the next egg that the previous egg is well combined. Add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Mix until smooth. Add in the flour mixture in 3 batches. Add in half a cup of buttermilk in 2 batches. If you don't have buttermilk, you can substitute for half a cup of milk with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix until a smooth batter forms. Mix until smooth. Pour the batter into a lined baking tin. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Use 1 tin crushed pineapples or pulse 1 fresh pineapple. I used my NutriBullet. Add in 1 can of condensed milk and mix until well combined. Poke holes into the warm cake with the back of a wooden spoon. and pour over the pineapple and condensed milk mixture. The pineapple and condensed milk mixture will seep into the holes. Give the mixture time to seep in for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add a half a cup of whipped cream on top and smooth that out. Place the dessert into the fridge for 3 minutes. Cut a slice and enjoy a light, summery dessert.